I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology for the Indata project at Easterseals Crossroads. Today, Belva Smith is going to show us a tech tip for JAWS.
Hi, I'm Belva Smith. I'm the sensory team lead here at Easterseals Crossroads in our Assistive Technology department. And today I'm excited to share some exciting information with you about JAWS, the screen reader. This happens to be their 30th anniversary, so I'm going to spend some time sharing some information with you about that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Windows UAC or user account control window isn't speaking to you. I get a lot of calls sometimes from individuals who say they're bringing it up and they're not able to get JAWS to speak the screen. So to open that up, I'm going to press the Windows key.
Search box edit.
And I'm going to type user.
Change user account controls.
And enter on the change user account control.
Enter.
And you notice that mine isn't speaking to me, but I think that might be because I don't have focus. So here's another little tip or trick for those of you that are using JAWS. Whenever you open a fresh window and you don't immediately get some feedback from the screen reader, that probably means that the screen reader's lost focus. So you can press the Alt key and hold it down and tap your Tab key to regain focus.
User account control settings.
And now I know that it's got focus because it read the title of the window to me. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to make sure that my slider is on 66% at least. By default, it's usually set at 33%, and at 33%, the screen will not read. So I'm going to tab.
Notification level : up down slider 66%. To increase or decrease, use the arrow keys.
And you notice that mine did say 66% because I automatically came here and changed mine. But if you want to change it, you just use your up and down arrow key, and JAWS did say that you could use the up and down arrow key to change it. So if I move it down,
0%.
Then it's at 0%, and then if I move it back up,
33%.
There's the default setting of 33, and I'm going to go up one more.
66%.
And there's the 66%, and that's what ensures me that it's going to read this screen each and every time that I come to it. So now I'm going to tab to the OK button.
OK button to activate, press space bar.
And even though JAWS tells me to press the space bar, I always press the Enter key. So I'm going to press the Enter key.
Enter.
And then it says, hey, you made some changes on the user accounts. Do you want to allow those changes to take place? And in this case, of course I do. But this is kind of a safety net, y'all. If you've made a change that you're not sure that you want to let it take place, then you can go ahead and say no here, and then the change won't take place. But in this case, I know that I do, so I'm going to go ahead and do a left arrow.
Yes button to act.
And I'm going to press the Enter key on the yes, and then I know that the next time I need to get to my user account settings or user account control settings, it's going to speak to me.
That's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Indata project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.